How to add new email ID or new channel in your YouTube account. Hello friends, welcome back to Tech2. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add new email ID or new channel to your YouTube app. Okay, so firstly open up YouTube app. Now tap on here your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on switch account. Here you can see plus icon, tap on it. Confirm your mobile password. Okay, here you can type your new email ID or mobile number. Okay, and then tap on next. If you have forgotten your email ID, you can tap on forget email. Okay, alright, that's how you add new email ID on your YouTube app. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to Tech2.